Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Ally Bank account online on our computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into Ally Bank account on our computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address ally.com and hit on enter, and after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Ally Bank. So let's wait for the page. And over here guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the login button available for us. Click on that login, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to enter the username of your Ally Bank account, and after that enter your password over here which you had to register while creating your account. But if you've forgotten username or your password, you can always retrieve it from over here where it says the username or password. If you click on either of those, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And with that being said guys, after entering your username and password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Ally Bank account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your Ally Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.